Hello, I'm Mr. eTutor, your mystery tutor here at mysterytutor.com, and welcome to video module 3-4. We're going to begin our discussion of the actual writing of the SAT essay by talking about how the essay is going to be graded. Remember, as we've discussed before, the key to doing well on the SAT is understanding the rules of the game. And if you want to write a good essay that gets a good score, you're going to have to know how that essay is going to be read and graded in the first place. It makes a lot of sense when you think about it, but the problem is almost nobody thinks about it. Remember, it's almost impossible to succeed in anything if you don't know how you're going to be evaluated. To begin with, let's put ourselves in the shoes of the average SAT essay grader. These people are, as I said, absolutely normal human beings. They don't have an encyclopedic knowledge of world history or literature or science or anything else. Furthermore, they have to grade many essays as quickly as they possibly can in order to turn things around in time for the College Board to use. One of the most shocking things about the grading process for the SAT essay, and it's a thing that a lot of students are never made aware of, is that the average essay is graded in about 1 minute. That's right, the essay that you spend 25 minutes hurrying to complete is going to be read in about 1 minute. Not only that, but the person reading your essay in 1 minute is probably going to be reading dozens, if not hundreds, of essays at the same time. This means that the grader is going to grade the essay before yours in approximately 1 minute, skimming it quickly and then recording the grade. Then he'll go on to your essay, skim it quickly in approximately 1 minute, and record a grade. Then on to the next essay, skimming it quickly, recording a grade. It's very repetitive and very mechanical for the grader, and frankly, they don't spend very much time reading your essay or weighing your words. This means, unfortunately, that many of the graders are skimming your essays too quickly to catch the subtle details that you would expect to be rewarded if you looked at the scoring guide on page 105 of the College Board's official SAT study guide. It's because the essays are skimmed so quickly and so superficially that we can have top-scoring essays like the ones we've already seen, which are full of errors, full of factual misstatements, frankly, full of all kinds of mistakes that should keep an essay from being scored well. Part of why Dr. Perlman probably hates the SAT essay has to do with this grading structure. If your grader is going to read the essay in approximately 1 minute, there's no way he can possibly appreciate all of the things you try to say in your essay. So you have to remember, since the grader is reading your essay in 1 minute, there is no time to be subtle or clever. Even if you were subtle or clever, even if he did happen to read it, he probably won't remember that it was your essay that was subtle or clever. Remember, he's reading a lot of these things in a row. For this reason, it's important that our writing approach to the SAT essay not place too much emphasis on details that won't get picked up anyway. We're going to write this essay in broad strokes. Don't worry so much about perfect vocabulary, perfect grammar, or perfect anything else. Do the best you can, make strong arguments, don't rely too much on subtlety or small details, and you'll be fine. We'll discuss exactly how to approach this in the coming videos. Thanks for watching this, and remember, it's easier than you think.